Hey guys, I realized that you may not quite understand how to make a copy of a document that I posted here for your lesson for the month. So I'm on the website and I'm looking at the current lesson and I'm going to scroll down and this is the document. So you have a couple of ways that you can do this. You can do the old school, hold the control key down, click A, and it highlights everything. And then you go control C to copy. And then you can go to your drive. And if you're not sure how to get there, you can always go back to your email and the little box of boxes, drive, right? And then what happens is you're going to click new, Google Doc. And then what you can do from here is hold the control key down and then click V as in Victor, and it pastes it for you. And then you scroll all the way up to the top and you come up here where it says untitled document, and you can call it like, college research or something like that, right? And then the next step is to click share and make sure you share it with me. And you'd have to probably start typing my name for it to show up. Okay. And then you click that. I don't know why that's showing up. And then hit send. Okay. The other way of doing this is if you're looking at the document, if you come down here, and this is a little bit easier, see where it says open comparing colleges? If you click on that, it'll put it right in your drive for you, but you can't do anything with it because it is locked, right? You are not able to edit this the way it is because it's just a view. So what you do is you come over here where it says file and you click make a copy. And then right there you go. And you have it, and then you can click OK and then share it with me up here. So 2 very easy ways of making a copy of a document. I like this one better. Hope that helps, guys.